Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine, having a great time at your home, staying at home. This is Mohammed Naeem and I welcome you in today's tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about Harvard University online free courses. Yes, you heard me right. Harvard University is offering free courses all over the world. There are more than 150 plus courses are offered by Harvard University and they are free of cost. You can get the registration and you can get the certification as well. This is the best chance for everyone. So we are going to discuss that in this video. First of all, if you are here for the first time in our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get every notification of our video. Thank you. Now let's go and start. So after entering the address of the Harvard University in Google, you are going to get this page, and here you have to click here, free online courses. After clicking on it, it's going to take you to the page where they are offering free courses, free online courses. So first you have to click here. After clicking on it, you are going to get the areas, the departments in which they are offering free courses. You can see programming, science, social sciences, education and teaching, and so many computer, data science, mathematics, humanities. So many courses are offered by the Harvard University. So let's see if we are going to go to the business or if you are going to go to the education. Let's go to the education and teaching. So after clicking on it, we are going to get the courses which they are offering in this field, online education and teaching courses. They are offering these courses, and let's go back again, and if you are going to open computer sciences, they are going to offer you 12 courses here, and you can see these all are free of cost. The duration of the week, the course is 12 weeks. Sorry for the weather if you are hearing some thunderstorm because it's raining very heavy here. It is available right now, and you can see there is another course here that is about Python and JavaScript. It's the best chance for those who are already in programming and gaming development field. They can get the certification from the Harvard University. It is the best chance for everyone. Mobile app development, if you are an app developer, you can get this course. If you are a computer science lawyer, science for lawyers can also get the course certification from Harvard University. And this is the best chance to enroll in these courses. And if we are going to go here again and let's see about the science, how many courses they are offering in the science. They are offering 25 free courses, and you can see these are also free. They are definitely going to show you some courses here which are paid, so we are not going to go toward those because we are here for the free courses. And you can see the duration of the courses. They are available right now. Let's see if we're going to enter in it. Click on it, and here you have to click on this button. But first let's see here, the duration of this course is 8 weeks. The time commitment which they require from you is 3 to 5 hours per week. The pace, it depends on you. Subject is health and medicine. Course language is in English. Video transcript is also in English and France. Yes, it is for the French people as well. Difficulty, it is intermediate. If you want to select the difficulty, it is going to be introductory, intermediate, or it's going to be advanced. It depends on you which difficulty you want to select. So these are the options which you are going to select from here. So for enrolling, you have to click on this take course. Clicking on it, it's going to take you to the page where you have to enter some information about you. You can see already 24,031 people enrolled in this course, and I have seen courses in which millions of people has already enrolled. Millions. Yes, it's true. So you just have to click here so you can get the emails from Harvard University about your course, about activation of your account. I have already signed in it, but I'm going to tell you how you can sign in it. I'm going to show you the picture where you have to enter that information because I already signed in it, and then I thought that I should share this with you all. After entering that page, entering all the information in that page where you have to enter your email, your age. Let me tell you two important things about these courses. Number one is there is no age restriction here. If you are of any age, you can get the certification from Harvard University. And the second most important thing, there is no need of mentioning that you are a degree holder or not. They are not going to ask you. It is optional. You want to show it, show them. If you want to skip them, skip them. These are some queries they ask you about. You want to skip them, skip them. And here is the another important thing. They are going to ask you to pay $49 to pursue a verified track. If you are going to get the certification, let's read this line. Audit this course, no certificate. We are here for free education. They are offering you free education. You are going to get the complete education free of cost. Audit this course for free and have access to course material and discussion forms. You are going to get the course material and discussion forms completely free. This track does not include graded assignments or unlimited courses access. If you want to get the unlimited course access, you are going to pay $49. But if you want to get limited access and you want to get the education, not the certificate, you have to click here, audit this course. After clicking on it, definitely you are going to get all the skills they are going to teach to those who are paying $49. And after completing that course, if you want the certificate, definitely you can pay the money. But if you don't want the certificate, no need to pay a single penny to them. Just go free and listen to them, learn from them and improve your skills. Definitely it's going to help you in future. I hope you liked our video, and here you can see this is the complete description you have to go through, and you have to learn and you have to read all these things, and they are going to provide you introduction and welcome, and all these modules are here. You can learn about them, final exams, and you can read all these paragraphs, all these buttons and all these details for your further queries, for your further involvement in this course. So this is all from my side. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification of every well, and press that like button if you like the video, because it really encourages us to give you the next and the best content. We are going to bring you the best content every day, every week. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.